ठीक है।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। अस्सलामु अलैकुम my dear students.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम सर।
I hope all of you are fine and doing well.
जी सर।
यस सर, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
ठीक हैं और आपको आवाज़ भी आ रही है और आपको स्लाइड्स भी नज़र आ रही हैं।
यस सर।
स्लाइड नज़र आ रही है ना आपको?
यस सर, आ रही है।
सही। तो we have been discussing for the last couple of lectures the process of hemostasis, and we studied that this is the process by which the blood loss is prevented. To minimize the blood loss, hemostasis means to minimize the blood loss. There may be many causes of blood loss, like there may be any injury, any trauma, any elective operation, etc. When there is a risk of blood loss, then the mechanism of hemostasis comes into action, and we studied that the events which occur in hemostasis are four events. Basically, first of all is vascular constriction, then the formation of a platelet plug, then formation of blood clot, and after that there is growth of fibrous tissue into that blood clot. We have studied all this. Now, clotting takes place in three steps. We have discussed also that first of all there is formation of prothrombin activator, then there is conversion of prothrombin into thrombin, and then there is conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin. And after that the fibrin fibers enmesh platelets, blood cells and plasma to form the clot. Then we discussed that there are about two methods by which we can say that the clot occurs. Just a minute, I will resume after a few moments. Sorry for interruption. So we discussed that by two methods the prothrombin activator is formed, but there are two pathways which are interlinked with each other. One is the extrinsic pathway and the other is the intrinsic pathway. The extrinsic pathway occurs due to due to tissue trauma, when there is trauma to the tissues and the blood, and due to the trauma to the tissues, a factor known as tissue factor is secreted from the traumatized tissues, and this tissue factor then causes the activation of factor 7, and factor 7 and tissue factor combinedly activate factor 10, and factor 10 then combined with factor 5 to form the prothrombin activator. The second is the intrinsic method, in which there is trauma to the blood is the stimulus for this pathway, and when there is trauma to the blood, or the blood comes in contact with the collagen of the blood vessels, then first of all there is activation of factor 12, then factor 11, then factor 9, and after that factor 10 is activated, and then the process goes on as in the extrinsic pathway. These pathways we have studied in our last lecture. We can compare the extrinsic and the intrinsic pathways. That what are the main differences in the extrinsic pathway and the extrinsic pathway and the intrinsic pathway. So remember, extrinsic and intrinsic pathway both starts immediately after rupture of a blood vessel. Immediately both the pathways for blood coagulation for the formation of prothrombin activator starts. The extrinsic pathway is initiated by the tissue factor, which are the chemical substance which is produced from the damaged tissues and also from the platelets, etc. Whereas the intrinsic pathway is initiated by contact of factor 12 and platelets with collagen in the vesicular wall. Remember, when the blood comes in contact with collagen of the vessel wall, and obviously if the blood comes in contact, then the factor 12 and platelets which are present in the blood also comes in contact with the collagen, and then the intrinsic pathway is initiated. The extrinsic pathway is very rapid, is explosive, and as long as the tissue factor, the factor 10, factor 7 and factor 5 are present, the extrinsic pathway will go along, and it takes a very, its pace is very rapid, whereas the intrinsic pathway is slower. With severe tissue trauma, clotting can occur in as little as 15 seconds in the extrinsic pathway. So extrinsic pathway is rapid, and the blood clotting may occur as short as in 15 seconds, whereas the intrinsic pathway is much slower to proceed, and it can take 1 to 6 minutes. So this is